Well, in ChatGPT, there is a feature called library where you can see all the images that were created by AI. But how about on Gemini? Well, if you fire up your Android or iOS phone and if you open the Gemini app on your phone, there is actually a similar feature in Gemini that resembles the library feature like in the one in ChatGPT, but the name is just a bit different. So if you open the sidebar menu, you can see there is a new menu called My Stuff, and if you open it, you'll see all the content, including the images, videos, and also the canvas document that were created by AI. Now, I should note that this library, this menu called My Style, is actually just showing the content that was produced by AI. So it is not showing you the content that you uploaded or provided to AI. Again, this is only showing you the content that was produced by the models in Gemini. Now, if you open in any of them, it will actually just lead you directly to that conversation. So let me just open one of these images. So I think I published a video just a few days ago about how you can turn yourself into Terminator, and this is one example of a picture that was created by Gemini. So this is the original picture, and this is the processed version by Gemini. As you can see on the list, I can only see this image. I cannot see the original picture that I provided. So that's again one thing that you need to know. Now, at the moment, this My Stuff feature is only available in the mobile app version of Gemini. If you open the desktop version or the web version of Gemini, there is no such a menu called My Stuff, at least at the moment. And interestingly, when I double check on Google about this particular feature, there is no info about it. So the only thing that is remotely talking about the new My Stuff feature about Gemini in Gemini is this article, and even that this is from August 2025, and it is just some rumor where this feature could be added into Gemini, but there is no official announcement that this feature is widely available. And I think that's kind of explain why this My Stuff feature is not yet available in the web version of Gemini. But at least if you're using the mobile app version, that library or My Stuff feature that's again quite similar to the one in ChatGPT is now available and can be used. So that's how you can easily see all the images, videos, or document or even apps that were created by Gemini. So it's just one shortcut away. It is convenient, and now you don't have to manually search or scroll down to find that one particular chat that contains the content that you are looking for. So that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.